Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Here's a pattern that kind of looks difficult, but it's really not like a geometric pattern. We're going to take a 2-point line, and I am going to just hold down the control button and make it perpendicular. And then I'm going to rotate it 20 degrees. When you rotate a line, it rotates right in the center. I'm going to Control D and duplicate it, then I'm going to mirror that line. I'm going to take this thing and group it together. I'm going to hit P. And just for grins, I'm going to change the nudge factor to 3 inches, and I'm going to nudge it down. Now, the center of the page is somewhere right in here, but since I have my control or my alternate G to put it there, I don't need any indexing lines. So I'm going to Control D, alternate C, and rotate it 120 degrees. And then Control D again, and we get this shape. I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool to fill in that shape. That way I don't have to get rid of those lines. And I'm just going to get rid of the lines anyway. But then I'm going to left click, right click, go up and turn it into something other than a hairline. I'm going to go to object and convert the outline to an object. And I'm going to left click, right click. I need to rotate this thing 90 degrees to get, there's a sharper end and a duller end. I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees. It's kind of really misconceiving because it's just the way it works out. Now I need to know how big this thing is to kind of offset it. So I'm going to get the parallel dimension tool, and I'm going to 724. So I'm going to set my nudge factor on 7.24 divided by 2, and I get 3.62. Now I'm going to take this shape and I'm going to Control D, get the two-sided arrow, and then I'm going to nudge it over that magical number. I'm going to group these together and hit P, put it in the center of the page. I'm going to Control D, and I'm going to rotate it 120 degrees, and then Control D. Now I'm going to go in and weld this, so it's all one unit. And at this time, I'm going to make it smaller. I'm going to make it like 5 inches. This is where it's a little bit tricky, but as long as you make a duplicate and grab that node right there and have it move to that node, it'll kind of lock into place. And if you hit it on the first try, you can Control D as many times as you want. Now I'm going to group this together, and I'm going to rotate it a negative 30 degrees, get it flat. And I don't really have I'm just going to ballpark this. I'm hoping to find a way out to do it. But if you hold down the control button so it's perpendicular, I'm just going to kind of ballpark that shape, because if you look at the stars now that I've created, they're the same. And because I hit it on my first try, I can go as many as I want. Now we got them all, and we're going to go to weld. And what weld did was take away all the extra line, and we have that pattern. I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool, and I'm going to use a different color this time, and I'm going to fill that in. One, it looks better. Two, you don't have any leaks. I'm going to take away the outline. And a lot of times that doesn't work when you're, because you can't really take the outline away. I always do that, but I'm miscommunication it. I'm going to hit this and hit P. I'm going to take a black box just to make it show off. And I'm going to go black, object, order, back a page. That's a pretty cool pattern. And you could do a lot more with it. One thing we can do is take our pattern and use the interactive fill tool and just swipe down. And I like playing with red and yellow. And it really makes it kind of show off the pattern. Maybe not as much as just white would be. We could make the whole thing white, disregard the Smart Fill and just fill it in with white. really makes that pattern show off. And you know, the more I think about it, if I make another one, I would just take the shape of this star and put it down there to kind of help me match. But I did a great job, I think, of matching it up. Anyway, something to play with. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.